So, mapagpalang araw sa ating lahat. Ako sa Rines Paloma at yung ilalahad kong aking tunan para sa daily devotion na pinamagatang ang itinataas ng Diyos. So, sa ating concept is exaltation of Christ, meaning refers to the glorious elevation of Jesus following His humiliation, His life, death, and burial. So, ang ating scripture is Philippians chapter 2, verses 9 to 11. Sinasabi niya, who though he was in the form of God, did not count equality with God a thing to be grasped, but emptied himself by taking the form of a servant, being born in the likeness of men, and being found in human form, he humbled himself by becoming obedient to the point of death, even death on a cross. Therefore, God has highly exalted him and bestowed on him the name is above every name, so that at the time of Jesus every knee shall bow in heaven and earth and under the earth, and every tongue confess that Jesus Christ is Lord, to the glory of God the Father. So, ang ating katuruan is number 1. Christ's resurrection demonstrates His victory. So, sa muling pagkabuhay daw ni Jesus Christ, pinapatunayan niyang tinalo niya ang kasalanan, kamatayan, at ang masama na sa Satanas. No? So, dahil buhay si Christ, may pag-asa tayo kahit nasa gitna tayo ng matinding problema na pinagdaanan. So, Christ's resurrection demonstrated His victory. Number 2, Christ is reigning now and session. So, si Jesus ay umakyat sa langit at kasalukuyan naghahari bilang hari sa kanan ng kanyang Ama. No? Sinasabi ito na kahit magulong mundo, alam mo may control si Jesus sa lahat. So, Christ is reigning now and session. Number 3, Christ's return in glory completes redemption. So, sa muling pagkabalik ni Jesus Christ, lulubusin niya ang kaligtasan at isasaayos ang lahat ng bagay, magiging ganap na kapayapaan at makatarungan kapag bumalik na siya. So, Christ's return in glory completes redemption. So, bilang application number 1, rejoice in the Lord's victory. So, magdiwang tayo dahil si Christ ay matagumpay. Tayo rin ay tagumpay sa Kanya. No? Sabi ito na kahit may pagsubok tayo pagdadaanan, may kagalakan tayo dahil alam natin panalo si Jesus Christ. At panalo tayo kay Jesus Christ. So, rejoice in the Lord's victory. Number 2, work for Jesus in advancing His kingdom. So, makibahagi tayo sa mission ni Jesus Christ dito sa mundo na ipahayag ang kanyang pag-ibig at katotohanan. Yang ang gusto niya is disciple all the nation. Example nito, nag-serve siya sa church, tumutulong sa mahirap, o nagtuturo ng mga Bible study o mga words of God, no, sa mga bata, sa mga tanda, kahit saan. So, work for Jesus in advancing His kingdom. And lastly, anticipate Christ's return in glory. So, mamuhay tayo na may pag-asa at pananabik sa pagbabalik natin Panginoon Diyos. So, anticipate Christ's return in glory. So, ayun naman ang aking daily devotion na matulong kayo. May share sa iba, share mga play sa ating buhay. Thank you po sa pagkikinig. God bless po sa atin.